Okay, children, today we will discuss about the distance between the parallel lines. What is the formula for distance between the parallel lines? Okay, children, so in the last class, we studied about how to derive the equation for parallel line, how to derive the equation for perpendicular line. Now, suppose two parallel lines are there. What is the distance between them? So compulsory, if you have to find out the distance between them, they should give the equation for this and this. Okay, when we are discussing also, I hope you remember, suppose this is 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. This will be also same, 2x plus 3y, only this will change, children. Do you remember, children? Only this will change, C1, C2, this is called, children, this is called A1, this is called B1, this is called C1. This is called A2, this is called B2, this is called C2. Only C1, C2 was changing. Did you remember? Do you remember, children? When we are deriving the equation for parallel line, only C1 and C2 were changing. A1, B1, A2, B2 for parallel lines will be always equal. And the formula for the distance between the parallel lines is equal to, okay, modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of A square plus B square. This is the formula. Children, why do we use modulus? Can anyone tell why do we use modulus? Even we get negative answer, we can put it as positive when you remove the modulus. Suppose inside modulus you got minus 5. If you remove the modulus, it will become plus 5. Suppose inside modulus you got plus 3. If you remove modulus, 3 only. Minus will become plus, plus will remain plus. What is the use of modulus means minus will become plus, plus will remain plus only. Okay. So now we will do this sum, children. In this sum, can anyone tell in this sum what is C1, children? What is C1? 5. What is C2?
5, sir.
6.
6.
And in both the cases, A is 2, B is 3. In both the cases, A is 2, B is 3. Substitute in this formula, children. Okay. Modulus of C1 minus C2 means 5 minus 6 by root of 2 square plus 3 square. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by root of 4 plus 9, 13. Okay, children, minus 1 will become what, children? Plus 1. So 1 by root 13 units is the distance between these two parallel lines. The distance between these two parallel lines is how much? 1 by root 13. That is the answer. Anyway, children, those who did not understand, one more sum I will tell. See, this is first sum. One more sum. Suppose there is one equal line. This is one line. Okay. This is 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Imagine. Okay, children, these both are parallel lines. Okay. So, what is this? A1, B1, C1. What is this? A2, B2, C2. And what is the formula for distance? Modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of A square plus B square. Okay, so what is the modulus of C1 minus C2? 5 minus of minus 7 by root of A square plus B square. In both the cases, A is 3. In both the cases, B is 4. So root of 3 square plus 4 square. Modulus of 5 minus of minus is 5 plus 7 by root of 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So answer is, if you remove the modulus, 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is how much, children? 2.4 units is the distance between the parallel lines. The distance between these two parallel lines is 2.4 units. Means the distance between here to here is 2.4 units. It can be centimeters, it can be meters, or whatever it is. Okay, suppose you didn't understand this concept. One more sum, children, please see here. Third sum. Suppose this is 4x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Suppose this 4x plus 5y parallel line should have this both equal. Remember always. Okay. Something minus 8 is equal to 0. Imagine. Okay. Anything. So, children, this is what? A1, B1, C1. What is this? A2, B2, C2. Okay. What is the formula for distance, children? Modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of A square plus B square. Okay, children. So in C1 is how much, children? C1, 6. What is C2, children? Minus 8 by root of A in both the cases is 4. B in both the cases is 5. Okay, so 4 square plus 5 square. Okay, children. So modulus of 6 plus 8 by root of 16 plus 25, that is 41. That is 14 by root 41 units is the distance between these two parallel lines. Okay, so next. This is 5x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. 5x plus 6y plus 20 is equal to 0. Something like that. Okay, something like that. Okay, you may ask, sir, every time you are taking plus, let's take this time minus. Okay, you can take this minus, this. No problem will be there. Okay, so what is this? A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. So what is the distance formula, children? Modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of A square. Without writing the formula, never do the sum. How many times you write the formula, that many times you'll be getting practice and you will not forget, children. Rather than learning the formula, keep writing somewhere, you can write in every sum so that it will become a practice for you. So what is C1, children? Minus 12. What is C2, children? C2 is minus 20 by, what is A and B in the both cases? A is how much? 5. B is minus 6. So 5 square plus minus 6 whole square. So modulus of minus 32 by root of 25 plus 36. Okay, minus, if you remove modulus, minus will go. 32 by root of 25 plus 36 is how much, children? 61 units is the distance between these two parallel units. Okay, if you can simplify, simplify. If you can't simplify, keep it like this only, no problem, children. Like this you are going to do. I hope you all understood, children. So 2, 3 sums I will ask you, you get ready, children. Now you have to say. I'll ask you 2, 3 sums, children, how to do them. Okay, once get ready. Okay, in the description of this video, I'll give so many numericals for you to practice. Please practice them, children. Okay.